In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text in DocHub. To get started, open your browser and search for DocHub. This is the fastest way to reach the platform if you do not already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to open the official website. Make sure you choose the legitimate site so you can sign in securely and access your documents without any confusion. After the site loads, go ahead and sign in to your account. If you are not already logged in, this step is necessary before you can access your files and make edits. Once you are signed in, you will arrive at the DocHub dashboard, where your available documents and editing options are displayed. From the dashboard, open the PDF you want to work on. Give the document a moment to load fully so the editing toolbar and page content are visible. This is important because you will need access to the standard editing controls before you can reposition any text. Now, before continuing, keep in mind that this method applies to text that was added using the aText tool in DocHub. If the text was typed with that tool, it exists inside a movable text box, which means you can reposition it freely anywhere on the page. Once your PDF is open, look to the far left side of the toolbar and click the pointer or select tool, which is usually shown as the standard arrow icon. This tool allows you to interact with existing elements on the page instead of creating new ones. Next, click once on the text you want to move. When you do this, the text box should become highlighted, showing that it is selected. If nothing happens, click directly on the added text again and make sure you are not still using a different editing tool. After the text box is selected, hover your cursor over the four-way arrow icon, also known as the move handle. This usually appears above the text box or along its border. The move handle is what lets you drag the text to a new position without changing the content itself. Now click and drag the text box to the new location on the page. As you move it, try to place it carefully so it lines up well with the rest of your document. When it is in the right spot, release your mouse to drop it into place. And that's it. You've successfully moved text in DocHub. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other text boxes added with the text tool and make small adjustments until everything looks exactly how you want it.